how to add font in Canva. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our Canva website right here and open the project wherein we want to add the font to. So once you're now here, the next thing that we need to do is to first, of course, add a text. So we can do that by just going here and clicking the text. And then, of course, you can add a heading, a subheading, or a body text. So I'm just going to click the heading right here. And let's say, for example, that we want to use this example text right here. And let me adjust it for a second. So let's say, for example, that we want to edit the font. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to just go here and in this part. And then once you click that, you will now be able to see all of the fonts that you can use in Canva. However, some of the fonts right here requires the pro version of the Canva, like this one. So if you see this icon right here beside the font, then you will need to avail the pro version of the Canva. However, if you are using the free version, you can also find some fonts right here like this one, and this one. Now, let's say, for example, that we want to use this font right here, this one. So all you have to do is to click that. And then once you click that, as you can see, we now have changed the font into League Spartan. So if you want to use another font, you can also do that by just clicking into another font right there. So like that. And then once it is done, if you want to save it, you can just go here and click the share button and then of course the download. And then that is basically it. Once again, that is how to add font in Canva.